Hi naturals, if you're watching me now and your hair is bald, your head is bald as a result of postpartum issues and you're breastfeeding, please get some milk and then apply on the balding area and watch it grow. This is just the tip I want to drop here before I continue with today's video. DIY treatments hit every single time, period. I'm a DIY queen to the core, and I have been doing DIY treatments for over 7 years now. I kid you not, over 7 years. I've been using DIY treatments before I opened this channel 3 years ago. DIY treatments are not only completely natural and packed with so many important vitamins and minerals for the hair, they are also very effective, and I'm telling you for free that DIY treatments are very effective, else you won't see the difference on my hair. One thing about DIY treatments is that you want to consistently do these treatments long term to reap the full benefits of them. Over time, you will see how beneficial they are for your hair, but consistency is 100% required. Please, if you must use any DIY products, learn to be consistent. Give one treatment 2 to 3 months before switching to another one. From onion juice treatments, avocado and banana hair masks, oatmeal gel, fenugreek paste, amla hair masks, different herbal teas, I've tried it all. I'm always open to trying new DIY treatments. Experimenting is fun. What are your favorite DIY treatments on this channel? Let me know in the comment section below. Which has ever worked for you? Please share with me in the comment section below. On today's video, I'm going to be making a special one, and to begin, we are going to be boiling some water, about 500 ml worth of water in a pot. All right, just pour some water and bring to a boil. And my first ingredient is flax seeds. Flaxseed gel for hair promotes quicker and longer hair growth by nourishing the roots. Vitamin E in the flaxseed nourishes the scalp while reducing free radical damage. It promotes hair development and slows hair breakage by improving blood flow in the scalp. Flaxseed also strengthens hair, it soothes irritated scalp, hydrates frizzy hair, fights dandruff, repairs dry and damaged hair. For the proportion, I'm just going to be measuring out 3 tablespoons into the boiling water. If you don't like the seeds, you can use the powder. They are all the same. On today's video, we are basically going to make an amazing gel that you would love. I promise you're going to love this one. This gel is an all-natural, high mucilage and extreme sleep gel that will help your knots melt like butter. If you want this gel to be super thick and more slimy, please double up your ingredients. My second ingredient is marshmallow roots. If you have the powder, please feel free to use that. The components of marshmallow roots that make it beneficial for hair include polyphenols, which are nutrient packed with antioxidants and help protect the hair and scalp from damage caused by free radicals, promoting hair growth. Marshmallow nourish and detangle. It conditions dry scalp and hair. It prevents breakage. It restores heat damaged locks. For the proportion, I'm just going to be using a 1/4 cup to measure out my marshmallow roots. Once you add your ingredients to the boiling water, go ahead and stir this properly. Make sure you stir to combine all the ingredients, and then cover up your pot. Allow this to boil until 15 minutes. Once it's 15 minutes mark, then bring down this pot and then allow to cool down completely before you strain. Guys, if you noticed, I didn't allow the pot on the same stove that I boiled it. I moved it over to another stove just so that it doesn't keep on boiling it, because once you turn off the heat from a stove, the stove still gets hot and still boils whatever you put on it. So I had to remove it to another stove. So allow it to cool down completely before you strain. For the straining, I use my bowl and a strainer to strain, but you can use your cheesecloth. That even helps get all the juice out of the flaxseed and the marshmallow. So here I was trying to press all the juice out. Next, transfer this to your spray bottle, or you can transfer it to your applicator bottle. I think applicator bottle is better so that you can be able to press out the juice or the gel when you are applying it. So if you want to use this to detangle your hair, this is very perfect. You can use this as a moisturizer. You can apply this to your hair before you apply your leave-in conditioner. So my next ingredient is rosemary oil, Sunny Eye rosemary proportion oil. I made use of 1 teaspoon. That's equivalent to 5 ml worth. So I measured that out and then transferred it into my spray bottle. If you're using applicator bottle, transfer it into that. So for my last ingredient, I'll be using rosemary essential oil. So it can help with scent. It can help this to be more potent. If you don't have rosemary essential oil, please use peppermint or tea tree. These are amazing. So this is what we have. Shake that very well so that you can combine all the ingredients. You can see how thick this is. This is not your regular spray that we usually make on this channel. This has some slimy substance to it, so this is amazing for detangling. So how to use this? If you want to detangle your hair, you can apply some water to your hair if your hair is too dry, and then apply this section by section. You can see my hair in sections, so apply section by section. While you apply, you detangle your hair. You can use this treatment as a pre-poo. You can use it as your leave-in. Just apply this before applying your leave-in conditioner. That is if you want to leave it in before sealing in moisture. Yes, you can leave it in your hair, and also you can rinse it out if you're using it as your pre-poo. If your hair has been breaking, if your hair has been shedding excessively, please, this is what you should use. Start using this if your hair is shedding and breaking excessively. As regards what I was saying in the beginning part of today's video, I was actually trying to help mothers who are having postpartum baldness, postpartum shedding. So if your hair is balding as a result of postpartum, if you're breastfeeding, please express the milk and then apply on the bald areas wherever you are balding. All right, so apply it every day with a gentle massage. Do not rinse it out until it's your wash day. I know as I say apply, please apply sparingly. Do not use it to flood your hair. Then you can use this on your hair shaft, just as I'm using mine, and watch your hair do well while you are experiencing your postpartum. So if you want to refrigerate this, it is only for 5 days. Because there is no preservative to it, do not exceed 5 days. That's how you can preserve this. And again, after applying this, do not forget to apply your leave-in conditioner. That is if you're leaving it in, and then seal with oil. That brings me to the end of today's video. Please ask your questions in the comment section. See you on my next one shortly. Bye.